Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Noor Online. Right now I'm going to show you how to change your video thumbnail or how to change your video cover image. Let's say you upload videos and then you want to change that image which come by the default, or you don't even know how to change it. So what we're going to do right now, I already have a video which I already upload on my YouTube channel, and what we're going to do right now is simply go direct into those videos or click one of them, and then we are going to see how we can change it. Let me simply scale this camera down right like this. So here is what we're going to do right here. So let's go direct into our YouTube channel. Let me simply say that you already know how to go direct into this YouTube studio. So, and you know that you have content right here, like the list of your videos, like mine. Those are the list of my videos. So let me simply click one of them. So let me click this. In this video, you can see that we have detail analytics editors and so many more. So what we're going to do right here, we have to go direct into details. Okay, it's because we only want to change our YouTube thumbnail. We click detail and then we scroll down just like that. So this one, that they are the default picture which are being chosen by the YouTube itself. I did not choose them, but what I did, I changed it because I already designed a thumbnail which I can simply change anytime, or I can even upload it again if I want to. So for now, let me simply remove this. Let me remove it, like I can download it like that. So just simply because I want to share with you guys this stuff.